Hello, good Saturday to you, and this is Jackie Burns Creations with the 30 Days of Christmas Ornaments. So these are plaques that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm just painting a whole bunch at once, but I'll show you in a second what we're getting to. I'm painting them with chalk paint, giving them a little dry there with my heat gun. I got about, probably 5 different window cling sheets from Dollar Tree, and oh my gosh, they are just so cute this year, I can't stand it. And I thought this one will go good in my kitchen because I'm doing a candy cane gingerbread Christmas in there. And I thought I'd add a little more to it, embellish it, and I have this little clay gingerbread person. Just kind of looking at it and giving it a good layout. Okay, picking off some snowflakes on there. On the cup it says "Let It Snow." You could make ornament for days with just one of these window clings, let alone all the ones I picked up. Okay, so I put some rope around the outside edge, and I'm bringing it in toward the middle. And this rope doesn't look real well when it meets the ends, so I have to kind of figure out something to do with it. It is a nice rope to work with though. It's soft and it bends really easy. Okay, just measuring out how long I want it to be, and I'm going to take the 3 strands apart because I didn't need the hanger to be quite that thick. Now I saw Humble Pie do this, where she took a piece of masking tape and just put over the ends, and she said it holds it really well. It just kind of melts into it, and even if you hang them outside, that it just works really great. This ornament, it's the type that you can hang on a great big tree, or you could put on a tray, or just about put it anywhere. Okay, slapping a little Mod Podge on there so I can get my clings to hang on. Takes them a little while to dry because of the plastic underneath, but that's okay. At least they're stuck on there well. Okay, now I'm gluing on the little gingerbread person. Oh, just finding some florals to put on the top. Kind of conceal the area where the rope comes together. Besides, it just looks prettier with some florals up on top. Adding 3 white berries. Is when you add odd numbers, it looks much better than just having even numbers. Design-wise, anyway. And I thought, oh, maybe I can get the words to stand out a little better. So I'm taking some puffy slick glue and or slick paint and going over the top of the lettering that says "Let It Snow." And I guess if I'd put it against a white background, it might show up a little better. But I'm going over the marshmallows a little bit. And I put a snowflake on the other cup. And there it is all done. I hope you like it. Oh, and I stuck a little bitty pine cone on top. But that was fast and easy and inexpensive, and I think it looks really cute. And I sure appreciate every day my subbies coming to visit me. And I hope you do have a good Saturday. We'll talk to you later. Bye.